Question 16 offers us a Venn diagram of students that passed 3 tests they took in a year. We've got 32 students in all. We've been given 2 intersecting numbers and all these additional facts. So working from the inside out, let's first all consider X students passed in all 3 tests. Where can I put that result? Well, I can put that result straight in the middle of the diagram, because it's the only point where success in maths, English and French are defined. 4 students failed all 3 tests. Well, if they failed all 3 tests, they're not in any of these circles, so it must be that 4 are on the outside here. So now let's look here. 11 students passed the test in maths and French. Maths and French. The area that defines is this section here. But as we don't know what is in the middle here, all I can say is this must be 11 minus x here. 18 students passed in maths and English. The overlapping area of maths and English is here. And if this is going to be 18 in a very similar way, this area must be 18 minus x. 14 students passed the test in French, so everybody in the French circle here must equal 14. I'm going to have to say that x plus 11 minus x plus 2 plus question mark must equal what we're told, 14. The x's cancel, and we're left with 13 plus question mark is equal to 14. So therefore question mark is equal to 1. So I can get rid of question mark there and pop in 1. Moving up, 20 students passed the test in English. So all of this area is 20. So again, let's call that question mark. So I can say, adding everything up, the x's cancel again, so I don't need to write that. So I get 18 plus 2 plus question mark is equal to the given result of 20. So therefore, question mark in this case is equal to 0. And the last one, which will hopefully give us x, is that 25 students passed the test in maths. So 2 of the x's will cancel, so I can short circuit the answer by going that 11 plus 18 minus x plus 3 must equal 25. And if you work that out, it turns out that x is equal to 7. So they want us to use our result of 7 to fix the Venn diagram, and that should be your completed Venn diagram. So part C, we've been asked to find the probability that a student who passed the test in maths, so we are in only the maths circle now, all the rest of the diagram is totally irrelevant, and who failed the subject in French. Well, the number of maths students here 25. So our answer is going to be divided by 25. Now, those that failed in French must be outside the French winning zone. So it must be these groups here, 11 students here and 3 here. So the probability of choosing a loss in French and a win in maths must be 11 plus 3, which is 14 over 25. And that is your answer.